Bahrain has taken a significant leap forward in modern air power, unveiling the first combat capabilities of its newly acquired F-16 Block 70 fighter jets in a landmark demonstration that signals a transformative shift in the kingdom's military readiness and strategic posture. The event, closely watched by regional allies and global defense analysts, marked the first time Bahrain publicly showcased the operational strength of one of the most advanced variants of the iconic F-16 Fighting Falcon. As the aircraft roared across the skies in a carefully choreographed display of precision, agility, and technological superiority, it became clear that Bahrain is entering a new era of aerial warfare capability, one defined by cutting-edge avionics, enhanced survivability, and network-centric combat operations that align with the demands of modern battlefields. The F-16 Block 70, often referred to as the Viper, represents the latest evolution of a fighter platform that has been a cornerstone of air forces around the world for decades. However, this iteration is far more than a simple upgrade. It is a comprehensive reimagining of the F-16, incorporating advanced radar systems such as the AN/APG-83 Active Electronically Scanned Array, AESA, a state-of-the-art cockpit with high-resolution displays, and an improved mission computer capable of processing vast amounts of data in real time. For Bahrain, the acquisition of these jets is not just a procurement milestone. It is a strategic investment in maintaining regional stability and ensuring that its air force remains capable of addressing emerging threats in an increasingly complex security environment. During the demonstration, Bahraini pilots executed a series of simulated combat scenarios designed to highlight the aircraft's versatility and lethal effectiveness. These included beyond visual range engagements, precision strike missions, and defensive counter-air maneuvers. Observers noted the seamless integration of sensor data and the rapid response times that allowed pilots to make informed decisions under pressure. The AESA radar, in particular, played a critical role in detecting and tracking multiple targets simultaneously, providing a decisive edge in scenarios where situational awareness can mean the difference between success and failure. The aircraft's advanced electronic warfare suite further enhanced its survivability, enabling it to operate effectively even in contested environments where adversaries deploy sophisticated air defense systems. The significance of this demonstration extends beyond the technical capabilities of the aircraft. It also reflects Bahrain's broader defense strategy, which emphasizes interoperability with allied forces, particularly those of the United States and other Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC) members. The F-16 Block 70 is designed with this interoperability in mind, featuring secure communication systems and data links that allow it to operate seamlessly as part of a larger coalition force. This capability is especially important in a region where joint operations and coordinated responses are essential to addressing shared security challenges. By integrating these advanced fighters into its air force, Bahrain is not only enhancing its own defense capabilities but also contributing to the collective security framework of its allies. Another key aspect of the F-16 Block 70 program is its focus on pilot training and readiness. The introduction of such a sophisticated aircraft requires a comprehensive approach to training, encompassing everything from basic flight operations to complex combat scenarios. Bahraini pilots have undergone extensive training programs, often in collaboration with international partners, to ensure they can fully exploit the capabilities of the new jets. This investment in human capital is just as important as the technology itself, as the effectiveness of any weapon system ultimately depends on the skill and proficiency of those who operate it. The successful execution of the demonstration underscored the high level of training and professionalism within the Royal Bahraini Air Force, reinforcing confidence in its ability to deploy these aircraft effectively in real-world situations. The introduction of the F-16 Block 70 also has important implications for Bahrain's defense industry and economic landscape. The procurement process involved significant collaboration with international defense contractors, including technology transfer and support agreements that will help sustain the aircraft over its operational life. This not only ensures the long-term viability of the fleet but also creates opportunities for local industry participation in maintenance, repair, and overhaul activities. Such partnerships can have a ripple effect on the broader economy, fostering the development of technical expertise and creating high-skilled jobs within the country. In this sense, the F-16 program is not just a military investment but also a catalyst for economic growth and technological advancement. From a geopolitical perspective, Bahrain's acquisition and demonstration of the F-16 Block 70 sends a clear message about its commitment to maintaining a strong and capable defense posture. In a region characterized by shifting alliances and evolving security dynamics, the ability to project power and deter potential adversaries is of paramount importance. The advanced capabilities of the F-16 Block 70 enhance Bahrain's ability to achieve these objectives, providing a credible deterrent against a wide range of threats. At the same time, the emphasis on interoperability and cooperation underscores the kingdom's role as a reliable partner within the international community, contributing to efforts aimed at promoting stability and security in the Middle East. The demonstration also highlighted the aircraft's adaptability to a variety of mission profiles. Whether conducting air superiority missions, close air support, or reconnaissance operations, the F-16 Block 70 is designed to excel across the full spectrum of combat scenarios. Its modular design allows for the integration of a wide range of weapons and sensors, enabling it to be tailored to specific mission requirements. This flexibility is particularly valuable in modern warfare, where the ability to respond quickly to changing is essential. By equipping its Air Force with such a versatile platform, Bahrain is ensuring that it can effectively address both current and future challenges. In addition to its combat capabilities, the F-16 Block 70 incorporates several features aimed at improving operational efficiency and reducing lifecycle costs. These include advanced diagnostics and maintenance systems that allow for predictive maintenance, minimizing downtime and ensuring that the aircraft remain mission-ready.